Guys, I have good news for you. When I mean good news, it's nothing but good news. Praying and wishing for constant light in your Nigerian home. When I mean constant light, I mean 24 hours electricity in your home. I think this video is for you. Just bring your seat and sit down while I explain the whole full details, okay? Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have good news for you. When I mean good news, it's nothing but good news. So guys, if you're wishing or you have prayed to have a constant light in your home, in your Nigerian home, this video is for you. Just sit back and watch this video to the end as I explain every details that you need to know. Guys, I'll be sharing with you all the very first day that we installed the solar, the inverter in our house, and also how many panels that we use and how many battery that it came with. So our own came, I think it's 10 panel. I think it's up to 10. Yeah, it's up to 10 because this house is quite big. This is the solar battery, guys, and when my husband built this house, we didn't have the idea to put this solar, but this 2024 Nigeria has shown us shege. Like, the shege is shege, I swear, guys. That's the main reason we bought this solar. Fuel, on the other hand, is very, very expensive. And another thing that we are finding it very difficult in Nigeria is that NEPA don't bring lights anymore. Like, they bring lights once in a while. So this is the main reason we invested in this focused solar. It's called focused solar, and they also came to the house to install it. At least now my food is totally safe in my fridge. Like, that's the most important thing in my home. Like, my freezer is always blocked, guys. Guys, getting a solar in your house is one of the biggest things you can do in your home. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, or you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Osyjenny. I'm a mom based in Ughelli, Delta State. So this particular solar has helped so many families. Like, when I mean so many families that are quite large, and you know the condition of some things in Nigeria and the way the NEPA can be able to disappoint. NEPA disappoints a lot, like, and fuel is very, very expensive. So I think this solar is quite helpful. You can even avoid heat totally. Like, you have light. Just make sure that you have all the necessary things required. Like, you have to have inverter fridge, inverter AC, and also solar fan. All this normal inverter fan. So guys, they make sure that they place this inverter very close to our changeover switch, and the only annoying part of it all is that this fridge that you guys are seeing there, the white one, it can't carry it because it's not an inverter fridge. But so my advice for you today is, don't be afraid. Don't worry about anything. Just make sure that you get an inverter fridge first before buying this solar, or you can also buy the solar before buying the inverter. Fridge is quite helpful. So guys, this is the battery that came with, and it also came in, I think it's up to 10 pan, or I think 10 or 8 pan. You understand? Because the particular one that you guys saw there is, I think, is 6. Then they later brought other ones in the house. This is the battery. The quality of this battery is top notch. People that are using this particular inverter, they are really testifying that it works like magic. Like, it works so well. This one is a operation say no to NEPA. I know even they reason NEPA again, whether they bring light to or they don't bring light. I know they reason them at all. Getting a solar today can change your home, and it can change so many things. It saves costs. Yes, I think it's quite economical, because if you calculate buying fuel every blessed day, you guys know the condition of things in Nigeria. Fuel is very, very expensive, and NEPA for Nigeria, they disappoint, I swear. A whole day might not even have light. And if you consider people will get fridge, you will know what I'm talking about. If you have a fridge in your house, you will know what I'm talking about in terms of cooking and stocking them in your fridge, and at the end it will spoil or it will sour. So this is not what you need in 2024. So guys, the only place you can secure your panel is on top of your roof. That is the zinc. That is the only place that is safe. I want to use this video to appreciate my returning subscribers. You guys are so amazing. You guys are sweet. Thank you for always stopping by, and thank you for always watching our videos. And if you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Osyjenny. Don't forget to click on the notification bell and also subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Okay, you say?
I say this one. Go carry that fridge where?
Now that fridge be the most important thing.
No, that be the most important.
I see that.
Every day. You know there is your.
You know there is your.
I go say the country.
Oh, we get boys so.
We're talking about if you're having a bad weather, simply you flip this down, you flip this down.
Okay.
Now,
If you want offer, just
Okay.
everything shuts down.
Okay.
If you want on make sure before you on water heater, those heavy load. Come on water heater, pumping engine. Come on those heavy load. Once you don't off water heater, you don't off those heavy load for instance. Make sure that you don't. Make sure that's very important. So make sure you off them. Then just come here.
So guys, I'm here to get my inverter fridge. I've already paid for the freezer. I bought the big freezer. I've already paid for it. So stay tuned while we unbox. Once I get home, I'm gonna unbox and show you the one that I got. But before then, guess before I unbox the freezer for you guys to see. This place is quite big. It's one of the biggest places in Ukele where they sell affordable accessories, fridge, phones, and the rest of them. Time to unbox my inverter fridge. Okay, let me show you guys. So guys, it's time to unbox. Let's unbox and see what is inside. Let's bring you. big. The other one that I have, I think is a let me show you guys. Those are the inverter. Can't be able to carry this one. That's why. But scoundrels are gonna go. Don't forget to support your girl. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Very, very important. And also share your own ideas if you've invested in solar or maybe you have already have it in your home. Share your ideas with others that don't even have to. Maybe those that are scared to buy. You understand? Those that are scared to put it in their home. Share. Just type in the comment section if it's worth investing on, and also don't forget to subscribe, please. So guys, this will be the end of this video. I'm going to end this video here. Okay, so basically I have two freezer in my home. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy, and I'm also grateful to God because He is the master planner, and I also thank God for giving us the money to achieve all this. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.